Alright guys, welcome back, and this section going to be the bullet point section, and it's very easy to create. Okay, so first of all, let's see what we have here. We have a title, we have subtitle, we have icon title, and we have icon description. Now this is excellent because we're going to create one and then we're going to duplicate and create as many as we wish. We can create 3, 6, 9, etc. Okay, and we also have call to action button on the bottom. So let's go back to our Elementor screen, and in order to start designing the section, we're going to create a new section. We're going to choose full width, and we already know that we can start with the spacer. Okay, so I'm going to drag a spacer, I'm going to keep it on 50 pixel, and now I'm going to duplicate the image gallery title because it's the one with the blue color, and I need blue color because the section is going to be white, and I'm going to drag it just underneath the spacer that we dragged earlier. Now I'm going to duplicate the subtitle, and I'm going to locate it just underneath the main title. There you go, over here. Now all I need to do is to change the content of the title and the subtitle. So the title I'm going to change to Why Choose Us, just like that, and the subtitle I'm going to choose to this subtitle. There you go. And now all I have to do is to create the icon and the bullet points. So I'm going to duplicate the spacer, I'm going to drag one under the subtitle, and this one going to be the 35 pixel like all the ones above. And now I'm going to drag the column section just underneath the spacer, and I'm going to divide it to 3. So I'm going to click on column, and then I'm going to click on the plus icon, and now I have 3 elements of 33% each. Alright, so now we can see that we have the icon title, and the icon description, and we have 6 of them. So what we need to do right now is to go to the element bar again, and then drag the icon box to the left element. There you go. And now we will design it before we're going to duplicate it. So we're going to change the view to stack, and then to frame, or to default, which I'm going to keep right now. Now you can change the icon to any icon you would like. I'm looking for people, so I'm going to write users, and there I have 3 people over there, and that's exactly what I need because it fits my title, best coaches in the world. Okay, now we can change the content of the paragraph, but I'm not gonna do it. Let's just design it as we wish. So we're gonna go to the style tab, and here I'm going to change the title to be just a little bit smaller. So I'm going to choose custom, and I'm going to drag the size scale to something like maybe 22 pixel. It's very nice. I'm going to change the weight of the title to 300, and I like it as it is. It's beautiful. So I'm going to duplicate it one time, and then another time, and now I will duplicate this whole section. So I'm going to click on the section tab on the top, and then I'm going to duplicate it just like that. And as you can see, we have 6 of them right now. I'm going to set the spacer between them just like that to make it more nice and readable. And all I have to do right now is pretty much to change the icon and the title and the description. But that was a short example how you can do it very easily, very quick, and this whole section going to be ready in less than 7 minutes. This is just amazing. Okay, so just browse between the icon, change it to whatever you want, to whatever fits you, whatever fits your brand and the bullet points that you have, and the sections start to look really good. So I'm gonna look for this one here, just as example, guys. I didn't really think through that. And I'm going to duplicate the call to action button, and I'm going to drag it just underneath the section. There you go, over here. And I'm going to duplicate the spacer, and I'm going to drag it over here and duplicate it one more time, and I'm going to drag it just underneath the button over here, and I'm gonna click save, and the section is ready to go. Look how quick it was, it's just unbelievable. And as you can see, when we refresh the page, we have beautiful section, just gorgeous website. The website starts to look really good. It's just a little bit different from the demo site because the demo site icons are a little bit bigger, but you can change the icon size, you can play with it, you can change the color of it, you can change the shape of it, so you can play with it as much as you want. Here I will show you how to change the size. You just drag the size up and down and it's going to change the size of the icon. I'm gonna keep it on the default on 50 because I think it was looking good. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger than the other one, so I'm gonna keep it, I'm going to reduce it back to 50, just like that, and I'm gonna click save on the bottom. Yeah, there you go. And as you can see, the section is beautiful, and in less than 7 minutes we finished with this section, and it's very quick. That's how easy it is to create a website with this Elementor plugin, and I'm really happy to show you guys that you can do it even without technical knowledge. Okay, now all we need to do is change the button to view all features and click save, and that's it. Now we are ready to move forward to the last section, which is gonna be the footer.